Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about another off-campus placements opportunity from Yardi Software. So in this video, we'll talk about all the detailed information regarding this Yardi Software job, information such as the eligibility criteria, about the roles and responsibilities of this job, about the requirements, and about the good to have skills. We'll talk about all this kind of information in detail. So if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get this information regarding such videos on daily basis. And please don't skip the video in between to get the information regarding this job completely. So let's move forward with the today's job, that is from Yardi Software. So firstly, we'll talk about Yardi Software. So Yardi Software is an Indian private limited company established in 2004, based in Pune, providing services to its sole customer Yardi System. Leading real estate organizations have chosen Yardi as their full business real estate management solution. More than 10 million residential units and 10 billion square feet of commercial space are under management with industry-leading Yardi solutions. So I'll provide the link for this job in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to read all the detailed information regarding Yardi Software, so please go to that link to read all the information in detail. So they are hiring for the position of software engineer trainee, and this is an off-campus recruitment drive through freshersworld.com. So the eligibility criteria for this job is like all the BE and BTech holders from 2020 batch. So only 2020 batch candidates are eligible for this drive. And the roles and responsibilities. So the very first role will be should be well versed with OOPS skills, OOPS concepts. Good to have knowledge of SQL. Good communication skills are required. Also good in logical thinking and analytical skills. Should be quick learner and self-motivated problem solver. So these are all the roles and responsibilities. And talking about the specific requirement, good communication and basic knowledge of SQL are the specific requirements they have mentioned here. And the location for this job will be Pune, and the salary they are offering is around 4.5 LPA. And also they have mentioned here the interview process. So the very firstly they'll go with the written aptitude test, which will include reasoning, English and quantitative sections, and second they'll conduct HR interview, and lastly they'll go with the technical and managerial discussion round. So if you are willing to apply for the same, then please go to the link in the description box of the video. There you can just go and just read all the information in detail. And if you are willing to apply, then just click on here on the apply now button. Then further you have to fill all the related information and upload your CV, and you can just apply for this job. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers. So in this way I have mentioned you all the information related to Yardi Software job. If you are willing to apply, I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. Go to that link for application. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe to Fresher Bee for more such updates. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.